Music is great. Shake is good. All right. Anybody have anything they want to hear? Hello. Come on, I love you now. Come on, I love you now. Hold you through the storm. I will keep you safe and warm. Come on, I love you now. Come on, I love you and. You remember the next words? I will always be here. Come on and love you. Yesterday found your heart was broken, and tomorrow doesn't leave much room for hope. What's the next word? Time to find out but it does till you it does. Oh yeah, come on and love you now. Come on and love you and hold you through the storms. I'll keep you safe and warm. Come on and love you now. Come on and love you and. I don't remember the rest. That's it. Kiss away your tears. I will always be here. Come on and love you. You don't get two of them now. You don't get two of them. All right. Somebody else chose to choose.
Love song.
Show me your glory. I don't remember. That's a song I sang a million times but never played it. Let's see. I think it's. Caught a glimpse of your splendor in the corner of my eye. The most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And it was like a flash of lightning reflected off the skies. And I know I'll never be the same. Show me your glory. Send down your presence. I want to see your face. Show me your glory. Majesty shines about you. I can't go on without you, Lord. There you go.